that is how DNA is considered as a genetic material. For that, first we will discuss about the transforming principle, where it has been confirmed, it has been proved that DNA is only the material which transfer from one organism to another organism. How it has been proved? For that part, we will discuss about the experiment performed by scientist Frederick Griffith. Scientist Frederick Griffith in 1928. Frederick Griffith in 1928 performed series of experiment by using bacterium Streptococcus pneumoniae. Here, scientist Griffith used Streptococcus pneumoniae bacterium, which is responsible for disease. This is the pathogenic in nature, this bacterium, and it leads or it causes disease pneumonia. And he used this bacterium in mice. He used two types of bacteria. Streptococcus pneumoniae, there are two types of bacteria of Streptococcus pneumoniae. One variety is considered as smooth variety and another variety is rough variety. What is this smooth variety and rough variety? Is smooth and rough variety. Smooth variety, here if suppose this is bacterium, over this bacterium there is covering or layer or coat of polysaccharide. Hence this bacteria is considered as smooth variety bacteria, and rough variety of bacteria there is no layer or no coating of polysaccharide, and hence they are considered as a rough variety bacteria. Now in this smooth variety as well as in rough variety, different strains are there, like S1, S2, S3, S4, so on. Same here, rough variety is even showing various or different strain and so on. Among all these strains, Griffith used S3, strain S3 from smooth variety and R2 from rough variety. Now he used these two type of strain and performed experiment with mice. What he has been observed, that when he used, first of all he used rough variety, that is with strain R2. He used R2 bacterium, Streptococcus bacterium. This is bacterium Streptococcus bacterium, and inject this bacterium in mice. Inject this bacterium in mice. What he has observed? He observed the result as mice is able to survive. One thing let me tell you, rough variety of bacterium, they are non-pathogenic in nature, they are non-virulent, whereas smooth variety of bacterium, they are virulent, they are pathogenic in nature. So when he introduced this rough variety in mice, rough variety is non-pathogenic, non-virulent, and hence once they inject it in mice, mice is able to survive. Those mice are there survive. Then he introduced smooth variety S3. This smooth variety is virulent in nature, it is pathogenic in nature, and he inject this smooth variety bacterium in mice. What he found? He found mice died. Mice died because of infection caused due to S3 virulent pathogenic bacterium. Now, third experiment he performed by using the S3 only, but he killed this S3 bacteria by heat treatment. So we can call it heat killed S3 strain. Now in this heat killed S3 strain, when he introduce or when he inject in mice, the result is mice is now die or survive. Mice survived because this S3 is killed one. Here S3 is used, but it is killed one. Now the fourth experiment, fourth time, first time see what he did. He used rough variety which is non-virulent, so mice survived. Next time he used S3 which is virulent or pathogenic in nature. Mice died. Third experiment, third time he used S3 only, but heat killed S3. So here he inject in mice and the result he got that mice is surviving. Fourth time what he did, in two cases he find out the mice was surviving. So he took these two material together. That is, he select this R2 strain. R2 strain is live, living bacterium. These two are the living bacterium. These are the killed one. So now he select this R2 and he selected this heat killed. Two strain. He make mixture of live R2 and killed S3. So live R2 and heat killed. This is heat killed S3. This is the mixture of the bacterium. He introduced this both material, inject in mice. Now what should be the expected result? The expected result is, because of R2, mice survive. Because of heat killed S3, mice is able to survive. So as per this earlier study, our expectation is mice has to be survived by introducing mixture of these two. But here the result is totally opposite and he found mice died. Why? Why in this condition, in this case, mice died? Because now he conclude or come to the conclusion that there is something in this material. There is something in this material, in this combination, which either make this material active or change the nature of this material. Now the thing is, heat killed S3 is already killed one. So to make them active, there is no point to make them active because they are already killed one, died one. So they will not become active at any case. Only the chance is that R2, which is non-virulent, can convert into virulent or pathogenic. This is only one of the chance. And as a result of this fourth experiment, Frederick Griffith concluded that there is certain thing, some material is there which is transferring or transfer from one organism to another organism, and this transforming material change the nature of R2 strain and become pathogenic in nature, which leads to the death of mice. He come to that conclusion. But rest of the scientists were not ready to accept this. They are not convinced by this theory, by this principle. And after a long period of time, after nearby 16 years, other three scientists work over the same part, work over the same experiment. They did not deny the total work done by Frederick Griffith. They consider his work and continue with further part. Till here they agreed with Griffith, but they again continue with the things and they discover some other material and come to the conclusion that yes, DNA is only the transforming material. How they continue with this work, that we will see. So in the year 1944, nearby 16 years after the work has been completed by Griffith, scientist Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy. These three scientists work together and they come to conclusion that DNA is transforming material by discovering now in bacterium which things we consider biomolecules or chemicals which we can say they are supposed to be transforming. Those materials are proteins, might be RNA or DNA. These three things are there which can be transferred or considered as transforming material. So what they did? They discover enzyme which digest protein. That is, they discover enzyme protease which digest protein, for digesting protein. And what they find out after digesting protein, also the result was same, that in the mixture when the fourth experiment, mixture of R2 strain and S3 strain, killed S3 strain, injected in mice died. In the same experiment, they use enzyme protease for digestion of protein, so that protein digests, and after digestion of protein, we get some different result or not. To check it, they digest protein by discovering enzyme protease, but they got the same result, that mice died. Next, they discover RNA digesting enzyme, RNase, for digestion of RNA, but the result is same. Finally, they go with DNA digesting enzyme, DNase. In DNase, when they discover DNase and try to digest DNA, by the time the result got change, they found change in result. Change in result, it means DNA is only that material which transform R2 strain into S3. As per them, when they perform this experiment, they come to conclusion that in the mice, when we introduce this R2 plus heat killed S3, and the result was mice died. So what happens? They, as per their experiment, they said if we digest protein, then also there is no change in result. If we remove RNAs, by using RNAs digest RNA, then also there is no change in result. But as soon as we use DNAs to digest DNA, immediately we got the different result. It means these DNA enters from heat killed S3 into R2, and as DNA is genetic material, R2 shows the feature and characteristic of DNA of S3, and because of that characteristic of DNA of S3, R2 shows capsule, that is the layer of polysaccharide, coat of polysaccharide over it, and turns itself into smooth variety which is pathogenic in nature, which is virulent in nature, and these DNA material change this R2 into pathogenic, and as a result mice died. Because these three scientists studied over the tissue of mice died. How they come to this conclusion? Because they study the tissues of these dead mice, And when they study this tissue, in those tissue, what they found? They don't found any R2 strain. They find out only and only smooth strain. But smooth strain is heat killed we introduced. So from where this smooth strain comes in tissue of these mice, dead mice? That is the question. So it means DNA of these heat killed enters in R2 and R2 convert into smooth strain, and as a result in the tissues they find out this smooth variety, and hence they come to conclusion that DNA is only transforming material and it transfer from one organism to another organism as a heredity material. What is genetic material? Genetic material means material which passes from one organism to another organism, one generation to another generation. So which material is that which is passing? So that is the DNA. And to prove that, this experiment performed by Frederick Griff and rest of the analysis done by these three scientists. One again more experiment is there which was performed by scientists Hershey and Chase to prove DNA is a genetic material. That we will see in the next class.